We are at Plum High School, just outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Steeltown.
Plumboro, it's about 20-30 minutes east of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We have about 1,200 students in the high school. We're Class 5A. There's 6 classifications in the state of Pennsylvania, so we are one of the larger ones.
They upgraded their facilities with Daktronics video boards, both at the stadium and in the gym, through the generosity of Pat McAfee.
We wanted to give an asset to the community, to the district, that the kids could use. Something that they could use beyond high school, right? It instills pride in the school. You know, at football games, basketball games, wrestling matches, right? Volleyball, soccer, they're gonna be different now because you got a video board. But what's best about all of that is the students now can develop a skill set.
It's a really cool project from a standpoint of getting student involvement behind the scenes. We've developed a curriculum around the operation and content creation that are going to allow these students from a vocation standpoint to get skills that's going to set them apart from their peers for opportunities on college campuses or professional stadiums down the line.
And they're going to learn, you know, how to operate the camera, how to edit, you know, how to create that content to then broadcast on the video board. And that's something they can do in college later. Now they have a skill set if they want to work at a venue for the college or university they choose to attend. Then now they could walk in with something that they can monetize.
We're going to see a change in the atmosphere and the environment of not only our athletic events, but all of the events that we hold.
You walk in a gym, you see this giant video board. It's amazing, right? It's going to be transformative.
Unbelievable quality.
What's special about Pat is that Pat's always doing stuff like this. You just don't know it. He bleeds purple and gold. You know, he thinks about these kids all the time, and any chance that he gets, you know, an opportunity to give back, he does. Whether you see it or you don't, it's there.
We're all Mustangs here. Mustangs on 3. 1, 2, 3. Mustangs! Let's go, baby.